Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pausing and going straight into Settings, then Controls. Don't linger in Graphics. Once in Controls, open the Camera or Look section so you can change viewpoint behavior. You're looking for a labeled option like Third-Person Shoulder, Shoulder Swap, or a bindable toggle shoulder control. Make the change now so subsequent steps act on the new mapping. This ensures you won't be testing with the wrong menu open and saves time when you rebind or test input. Next, set the actual behavior. Either pick left or right shoulder in the drop-down or bind a toggle shoulder key / button so you can switch on the fly. If you bind, choose something reachable like a shoulder button or a nearby keyboard key. Once selected or bound, save the control changes. Unsaved edits won't apply in gameplay. Make sure any conflicting bindings are cleared, because duplicate assignments can prevent the toggle from working as expected during combat. Finally, test the new shoulder view immediately in free roam or a mission so you can feel the aim offset and cover positioning. If the switch fails, reopen controls and verify the toggle shoulder isn't shadowed by another binding or by controller software profile overrides. Once done, try a quick restart of the game to clear input caches. If problems persist, reset the control scheme to defaults, rebind only the shoulder toggle, and test again to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.